Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here and God bless you guys. So today's video is going to be on this wig. Yes sis, this is a wig. Well, let's just talk about this wig, okay? I first off want to say that I love this wig. I absolutely love it. This wig was sent to me by a company called Queenlife, Natural Beauty Everyday. So this is what it came in. It came in this box. Honestly, you guys, I'm not gonna lie. When I first saw this wig, I was like, okay, it's just a normal, everyday type of wig. Like, it's a regular wig that, you know, it's just a normal wig. But after putting on this wig though, it is like the most, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, this wig is the most comfortable wig that I've ever worn in my whole entire life. Like, I'm dead ass right now. I'm not even joking with you guys. Now I'm not talking about wigs that I've constructed. Wigs that I've constructed, obviously they're comfortable because I've made them to fit my head, but this was a wig that was sent to me, and this wig is so comfortable. The lace has a stretch to it, which I don't even know if that's possible, but I feel like the lace had a stretch to it. There's 3 combs, so there's a comb here, comb here, comb here, and there's a band to make it tighter at the back. Honestly, you guys, I love this wig. This is like an everyday wig. I could sleep with this wig. Normally I have to take my wigs off when I sleep because it's so tight, or like it just feels kind of like uncomfortable, or like maybe I've made the elastic bands in my wigs a little bit too tight, you know. But this one is just, oh, it feels so good. I had it on this morning when I was getting my breakfast ready, and I legit forgot that I had a wig on. Like, I'm not even kidding you guys. So let me just get into this wig a little bit more. This hair is an 18-inch straight hair weave, and the wig density is 180. Yeah, so like I said, this is the box that it came in. It comes in a nice white box with the black writing. It says Queenlife, Nature Beauty Everyday. That's what it says in the box. So obviously when you open up your box, you're gonna see your wig come in net. So your wig comes in a net like this, and the wig is secured in this plastic bag. Nothing too crazy, like nothing special. The special part is the wig, okay? Because when you take the wig out and you see it and you put it on, it's life. So yeah, I love this wig so much. So there will be a discount code for you guys. They do have a sale going on Christmas Day, you guys, okay? On Christmas, all hair is 50% off. Now when you use the code that they provide me with to give you guys, it's an extra 20% off. So you're getting 20 plus the 50% off, you guys. Yeah. I think that's amazing. So like I said, this is 100% virgin hair lace wig, and it's really nice. Let me take it down so you guys can see how it looks when it's down. So this is the hair when it's down, you guys. Now I put some hairspray in it because I wanted to like make it look nice and slick back for my ponytail, but this is what the hair looks like when it's down. Isn't this super nice, you guys? I don't know, I just think there's like a naturalness look to this hair. Like, I love this hair. So yeah, it's 18 inches. So the hair is 18 inches, so it hits you like about right underneath your boobs, which is okay. I actually like that. It's nice to have like a length that's not super long when you want to wear it for like every day, you know what I mean? But yeah, so this is what the hair looks like. I like the fact that it's not so thick because it gives it more of like a realistic look, if that makes sense. Do you guys know what I mean? Do you guys see what I'm saying with this wig? Like, I feel like it looks real, or more realistic, or more natural, I should say, because the density is not so thick. Like when I make my wigs, you guys, I use a lot of bundles. Maybe that's my problem. Maybe I just use too much bundles. But yeah, like I love the hair. So when the wig comes, it does come like a little bit pre-plucked. Even though it came pre-plucked, I wanted to go in a little bit more to my liking, to how I like to pluck my hair. But yeah guys, this wig is just super nice. I love it. It's giving me so much vibes. This is a vibe. This is definitely a vibe, you guys. Like, I love it so much. But yeah, so anyways, like I said, I will leave all of the information in the description box below for you guys, so you guys can go and check them out. Before I go though, is there any shedding? No. Wait. No, there's no shedding. And I plucked the frontal. So normally when you pluck the frontal, like sometimes there's some loose hairs that are like ready to come out. But as you can see, like I'm pulling it and like there's no shedding at all. And this hair is really soft. I can run my fingers through it. Obviously I had hairspray in my hair, but this hair is super soft, you guys. Like, oh, I love this wig. You guys take advantage of their sale and get you this wig because I'm obsessed. But yeah, guys, so anyways, like I said, I will leave all the information in the description box below, and I'll leave the discount codes and everything like that down below. And thank you so much to Queenlife for sponsoring this video and sending me this wig. Thank you for, you know, helping me live. And yeah, guys, I love you guys so much, and don't forget to thumbs up this video, give it a big like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Alright guys, bye.